Welcome and Namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will see Golden Temple at Amritsar. The Golden Temple is one of the most significant shrines in Sikhism. Myself and my friend Bhagwati, we went from Delhi to Amritsar. It takes about 7 to 8 hours by train to reach to Amritsar from Delhi. And here is my friend Bhagwati. She is watching sunset.
यहाँ पे भगवती बैठी है ट्रेन में, अपना मुंह उधर सीन की तरफ करके वो भी देख रही है सूर्यास्त। उससे काफी गप्पे मारे ट्रेन में आज।
Watching sunset was a great feast to our eyes. Punjab is one of the most fertile regions in India. In Bollywood movies, we often see songs being picturized in Punjab farms. Indeed, they are very beautiful. We reached late evening around 8 p.m. to Amritsar. Since we wanted to offer prayers, we rushed towards the Golden Temple. It was full moon night. In the moonlight, clock tower building at the main entrance of Golden Temple was looking very attractive. And here is Golden Temple, the main shrine where the main sanctorium is. The Golden Temple is also known as Hari Mandir, means Hari's Mandir. It was built in early 16th century by Guru Arjan. It was destroyed several times by Afghan invaders and rebuilt by Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the founder of Sikh Empire in India, who ruled during 1799 to 1849. The temple's upper floors are made of gold. There is about 750 kilos of pure gold. That is what we were told. And here is Holy Pond, where all pilgrims wash their feet before going to the sanctorium. You will see many devotees are cleaning these areas, which is known as Kar Seva. It is the humblest way of worshipping the great Almighty. There are several rites performed every day in the Golden Temple as per the historic Sikh tradition. These rites treat the scriptures, that is, Sri Guru Granth Sahib, as living person, a guru out of the respect. In the morning, they perform opening rite called Prakash, which means light. Every day, very early in the morning, the Guru Granth Sahib is taken out from its bedroom and carried on the head and placed in the flowered decorated palki, and then palki is brought to the sanctum with a Waheguru chanting. And in the night, after series of devotional kirtans and bhajans, the Guru Granth Sahib is closed and taken in the decorated palki and brought to the bedroom, which is Akal Takht. This rite is called Sukhasan. After washing our feet, we went towards the entrance of the main sanctorium. At the entrance, you will see beautiful chandelier, and a round area is intricately carved. You can see the gold work on the roof. It is very beautiful. That day we were very lucky. We got to see Sri Guru Govind Sahib Palki in the night.
कैसी है सुमेधा?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
और कैसा लग रहा है टेम्पल में?
काफ़ी प्रसन्न लग रहा है।
और पालकी कैसी लगी?
काफ़ी अच्छी लगी।
हाँ?
और मेरे दिल में कब से ये तमन्ना थी कि मैं आज ये हो गया, सपना पूरा हो गया।
मेरे को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
अच्छा लग रहा है,
बहुत अच्छा। और एकदम ऐसा लगता है कि मन को बहुत कुछ सुकून मिला।
Visited temple again and saw the temple in daylight. Hope while watching this video you too experience divinity of the surroundings of the golden temple. Hope you have subscribed to my channel Around the World Desi Pardesi and clicked on bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yours Desi Pardesi.